This is Alan with TabTech and TabTechUnlockSim.com. The service here is the T-Mobile Unbarring service. If you have a device that is on the T-Mobile blacklist, it was blacklisted with T-Mobile, whether it be for a lost or stolen device. Let's say you purchase a device and you use it for a few weeks and then it just abruptly stops. And you scan the IMEI number, which we have a service on our website too that will check to see if it's on the lost or stolen list, blacklist. And then use it for a couple weeks and it stops. You scan it on our website, the IMEI, and you find out it's been blacklisted. This service removes the blacklist to where you can use it again. It is for T-Mobile. Generally takes, I think it's about 2 weeks. It will not remove the money you owe if it's tied to an account with T-Mobile and it's blacklisted. Let's say it's reported stolen. We can remove that lost and stolen status to a clean and clear status, meaning it's back to normal, so you can use it again. However, this service, once we remove it from the blacklist, it does not remove the money that's still owed if it's tied to an account or the financing on it, but it will get it back to clean and clear. So you can either trade that in for an upgrade on a Samsung website or any other website. And it does work for Android and iPhone that where the device was purchased at T-Mobile. If it's a T-Mobile device, whether it's iPhone or Android, we can remove that blacklist from that, or I guess remove that device from the T-Mobile blacklist, so you can use it again. It is usable once we remove it. Cool service. We've been getting a lot of interest in it. We've already done quite a few phones and have had a lot of success. So I think it's a very handy service. If you need this type of service, we definitely provide it. We also have a service on our website where you can blacklist a device. I would like to say use that with caution, because we have capabilities to blacklist devices. Can be bad if put in the wrong hands. Typically it's for cell phone shops and things of that sort. But anyways, you can look at that information on our website if that interests you. We do blacklist phones, but this service specifically is for removing a device, Android or iPhone, off of the blacklist so you can use it again. So check our website out, and a lot of other services. We have cool services. We do a bunch of iPhone unlocks, Android unlocks, adding new services every day. So go to T-Mobile, not T-Mobile, I'm sorry. Go to TabTechUnlockSim.com, TabTechUnlockSim.com, and check our services out. Thank you.